Do you want to save more on your taxes? Welcome to our latest video, where we delve into the hidden nooks and crannies of tax deductions. Many consider tax season a daunting time of the year, but understanding tax deductions can turn this period into an opportunity to save money. Imagine being able to keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket, rather than handing it over to the taxman. This video will guide you step by step on how to maximize your tax deductions, making this process less intimidating. Whether you're a small business owner looking to optimize your expenses or an individual taxpayer wanting to keep more of your income, these secret tips are sure to benefit you. So are you ready to find out how you can start saving on your taxes today? Let's dive into it. First things first, to maximize your tax deductions, you need to understand what they are. So what are tax deductions? Well, in the simplest terms, tax deductions are expenses that you can subtract from your taxable income. This, in turn, reduces the amount of income that you're required to pay tax on, and therefore lessens your overall tax liability. Now, when it comes to tax deductions, there are two main types that you need to be aware of: standard deductions and itemized deductions. Standard deductions are a fixed amount that reduces your taxable income regardless of your expenses. This amount is determined by the government and changes from year to year. It's a straightforward, no questions asked sort of deduction. On the other hand, itemized deductions require a bit more work. These are specific expenses that you've incurred throughout the year that can be deducted from your taxable income. They could be anything from medical expenses to mortgage interest to charitable donations. The catch, however, is that you need to keep a meticulous record of these expenses. You'll need receipts, bills, and other documents to back up your claims. It's a more labor-intensive process, but it can potentially save you more money, especially if your itemized deductions exceed the standard deduction. Now, you might be wondering, can I take both standard and itemized deductions? The answer is no. You have to choose one or the other. So it's crucial to do the math and figure out which type of deduction would benefit you the most. In some cases, taking the standard deduction might be the best route, especially if you don't have many deductible expenses, or if the thought of keeping track of every single expense seems daunting. But in other cases, itemizing your deductions could lead to significant savings. It's all about understanding your own financial situation and making the decision that best suits your needs. Now that you understand what tax deductions are, let's move on to how you can maximize them. Now, let's explore how you can maximize your tax deductions. The first step towards maximizing your tax deductions is keeping a meticulous record of your expenses. This might sound rudimentary, but it's surprising how many people overlook this simple yet crucial aspect. Every receipt, every bill, every invoice has the potential to be a tax deduction. These could be business expenses, medical bills, educational expenses, charitable donations, and even certain home improvements. So ensure you have a system to organize and store these receipts safely. Now, onto our second strategy. Make sure you claim all eligible deductions. There are a plethora of deductions available to individuals and businesses alike. For individuals, deductions could come in the form of student loan interest, medical expenses, home office expenses, and so on. For businesses, deductions could be in the form of business-related travel costs, employee wages, and office supplies, among others. The key here is to be aware of what you're eligible for. The third strategy is to make the most of your retirement contributions. If you're not already doing so, consider contributing the maximum allowable amount to your retirement account each year. Not only will this provide you with a comfortable nest egg for your golden years, but it can also significantly reduce your taxable income. Lastly, consider consulting with a tax professional. Tax laws can be complex and ever-changing. Having a professional on your side can help you navigate this maze and take advantage of every possible deduction. They can provide you with personalized advice based on your unique financial situation and help ensure that you're not leaving any money on the table. By following these strategies, you can save a significant amount on your taxes. It's all about being proactive, organized, and informed. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. And when it comes to taxes, those pennies can quickly add up to big savings. So, there you have it. A guide to maximizing your tax deductions. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of tax-saving opportunities out there waiting for you to discover. By following these strategies, you can save a significant amount on your taxes. While trying to maximize your tax deductions, there are some common mistakes you should avoid. Firstly, not keeping receipts is a common pitfall. Think of every receipt as a golden ticket to potential tax savings. Each one of them can substantiate your claim for particular deductions, so remember to keep all your receipts organized. It might seem like a lot of work, but with a little discipline and the help of some handy apps, it can be a breeze, and the payoff can be substantial. The second common mistake is not knowing what deductions are available. There's a whole universe of potential deductions out there, from home office expenses to business travel costs and even some medical expenses. It's easy to miss these if you're not aware of them. So make it a point to educate yourself about the various deductions that are applicable to you. Your wallet will thank you for it. Lastly, let's talk about not consulting with a tax professional. It's tempting to go it alone, especially with so many tax software options available. But remember, software can only do so much. It can't provide personalized advice tailored to your unique financial situation. A tax professional, on the other hand, brings years of experience and expertise to the table. They can help you navigate the complex tax landscape, identify those hidden deductions, and even save you from potential audit headaches down the line. So don't shy away from seeking professional advice. It's an investment that can pay off handsomely in the long run. Now, we're not saying that you'll never make a mistake when it comes to your taxes. Everyone does at some point. But by being aware of these common pitfalls and taking steps to avoid them, you can significantly improve your chances of maximizing your deductions and keeping more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Avoiding these common mistakes can help you maximize your tax deductions and save more on your taxes. Maximizing your tax deductions doesn't have to be complicated. As we've explored today, with a sprinkle of knowledge and a dash of diligence, you can unlock hidden gems of tax deductions. From understanding the basics of tax deductions to avoiding common pitfalls, we've walked through the labyrinth of tax-saving techniques together. Whether you're a small business owner or an individual taxpayer, remember to apply these secret tips. They can help you save money and optimize your tax return. Don't leave your hard-earned money on the table. Implement these tips and start bolstering your savings today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tax-saving tips. Your interaction fuels our motivation to continue providing quality content. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. Until next time, keep maximizing those deductions.